An open garage door can be an invitation for unwanted entry to your home. With over 230,000 home burglaries reported last year, it has never been more important to protect what matters to you. B&D is now providing extra security and convenience through its smartphone garage door control. The B&D app allows you to operate and monitor your garage door from your compatible smartphone, whether at home, work, or on holiday. Alert notifications can be sent to your phone whenever your door is closed, open for an extended period, or obstructed. Perfect for today's lifestyle. You can even partially open your door to receive parcel deliveries or let your pet inside. The Smartphone Garage Door Control Kit is available now for both rolling and panel lift sectional style doors. Enhanced security for the things that are precious to you. Visit the B&D website for more information or to find your nearest retailer.